Hello everyone, welcome back to Wilderness Works. Today I want to do a quick video about common wild edible black raspberry or black caps. You can identify this plant by finding bushes with groups of three leaves that are kind of serrated on the edges, and they'll have small thorns on the stem. The berries themselves are ripe when they're like a deep blue purple and they fall right off the stem. And you can eat the whole berry. They taste pretty good. They're a little bitter, but they're sweet as well. So I hope you like this video. Go out and find some of these. They're delicious. See you next time.